Hi guys, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to find your Wi-Fi password in Windows 11 PC. Just follow my video steps. To find your Wi-Fi password on a Windows 11 PC. Whether you need to reconnect a device or share your network credentials with someone else, this guide will help you access the saved Wi-Fi password from your computer. Connect your laptop or PC to Wi-Fi. Search Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. Click on Category. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on your Wi-Fi name. Click on Wireless Properties. Click on Security.